Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see the recipe for Konkani style Pomfret Rava fry on Tawa. Let's get cooking. Here I have one whole pomfret which is cleaned. I have added a few slits on both the sides so that the masala goes in. To prepare the masala in a bowl, add salt as required, half a teaspoon of garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of red chili powder and juice of 1 lemon. Mix all the ingredients well. And the masala paste is ready. Now apply this masala on both the sides of the fish. Don't forget to push the masala in between the slits as well. Let the fish marinate for about 30 minutes. Now sprinkle semolina all over the fish evenly until it is well coated and slowly dab it so that it sticks to the masala. Repeat the same on the other side. Fish is now ready to be fried. Heat a tawa on medium flame. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, slowly place the fish on the tawa. Add some more oil and cook for about a minute. Then turn over the fish and add some more oil and cook for another minute. Turn over the fish again and now turn the flame to low and let the fish cook through. Add oil as required and keep turning over the fish to cook evenly on both sides. Cooking fish on high flame first makes the fish crispy on the outside and locks the juices inside. If you cook the fish on low flame initially, the fish will become hard and dry. Check if the fish is cooked and then turn off the flame. Serve the hot fish with some onion tomato salad on the side. If you liked the video, please share with family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and click on the bell icon to be notified about the new videos. Thank you for watching.